Hello guys, Under Night here. I'm gonna give you another sneak peek at the process of making this time the Marvel Universe Marvel Girl that I have right now on auction. Alright, so here she is as she's being painted. These are all custom colors that I did because really no company made the kind of green. So that's what I call the Marvel Girl yellow and magic, because this is what I use for a custom magic. This is the base that I'm using. The inspiration for this one comes from the actual comic book. I want to try and replicate this this type of color for the rocks and this kind of color for the floor. Let's see, give more of that look in this comic. This is such a classic. Now the rocks on the base are basically Abe's epoxy. You know, sometimes I have leftovers, and instead of throwing them away, I just make different shapes, and then when I need them for this kind of project, I crush them with a hammer, and now they have this nice rocky textures. And there's her head. There's her head. There is, of course, I toned down the gloss. It's a very glossy here because the paint that I used was this Chevy engine orange from Model Masters Acryl, and this company is out of business now, so these are the last drop. So yeah, that's pretty much her, you know. That's basically it. Then after she's painted, then boom, she is sealed and goes for auction. Yeah, there she is, all dead. And that's pretty much it. She is on eBay right now, and the links are whatever description thing wherever you're watching this. There should be a description. So thank you for watching.